Welcome to our video on the effects of swimming on the human body. Whether you're a professional swimmer or just someone who likes to swim for fun, swimming is a great way to stay in shape and improve your overall health. But what exactly happens to your body when you swim every day? In this video, we'll be discussing the various benefits of swimming on the human body and how it can improve your overall health and fitness. First and foremost, swimming is a great cardiovascular workout. It increases your heart rate, which in turn improves your cardiovascular fitness. Swimming also burns calories, making it a great way to lose weight and maintain a healthy body weight. It's also a low-impact exercise, which means it's easy on your joints, making it a great option for people who have arthritis or other joint problems. Swimming is also a great way to improve your lung capacity. When you swim, you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, which helps to increase the amount of oxygen that your lungs can hold. This can lead to improved lung function and overall better respiratory health. Swimming is also great for your muscles. It's a full-body workout that targets all of the major muscle groups in your body, including your arms, legs, core, and back. Swimming on a regular basis can help to increase muscle tone, strength, and endurance, which can lead to improved overall fitness. Swimming is also great for your mental health. Being in the water can be very relaxing and therapeutic, and it can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that swimming on a regular basis can help to improve mood, reduce depression and anxiety, and even improve cognitive function. Swimming is also great for your skin and hair. When you swim, your skin absorbs chlorine and other chemicals from the water, which can dry it out and cause irritation. However, regular swimming can actually improve the condition of your skin and hair by keeping them hydrated and reducing the effects of chlorine. In conclusion, swimming is a great way to stay in shape and improve your overall health. It's a low-impact exercise that targets all of the major muscle groups in your body, and it's great for your cardiovascular, respiratory, and mental health. It can also improve the condition of your skin and hair. If you want to experience the benefits of swimming, make sure to include it in your regular exercise routine. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to never miss a video on health and fitness topics. If you guys already watched this video, you must like the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to channel. Thank you.